Happy New Year, guys!
Happy Lunar New Year! 新年快樂，新年快樂 So today we're gonna make turnip cake known as lobago or lobogao in Chinese that is traditionally eaten by a lot of Chinese families during Lunar New Year.
Let's get started.
Damn, they all look really good. Okay, guys, look at this. Now you got a piece of radish cake or turnip cake. So you're gonna dip it in some hoisin sauce. And you're gonna double dip with the sriracha sauce. It's okay if you double dip. The bottom is crispy. It's good. It's like a combination of rice cake. The inside is a bit soft. One more bite. Very good.
karate chop. Alright, dip. Sriracha. Hoisin sauce. Year of the pig, so I'm gonna turn into a pig. Mmm. I like it because it's not too doughy. You can taste like the radish, the scallops. Oh wow, the scallops are so good. And you taste the dry shrimp. Mmm, it's so savory. You guys gotta try it. I'm happy it's Chinese New Year, so I can eat this.
Is your glasses like smoking?
Yeah.
I wonder if people can see it like in the...
My glasses are smoking, guys.